Laugh and Learn.
We've got a super exciting experiment for you today.
Yes, it's a Coke experience.
Coke and a candy. I don't know. Do you know this candy? It's called Mentos.
Mentos.
This is a mint Mentos, and we're going to be mixing it today with all of these ingredients. What do we have today here, Teacher Gath?
Today we have Coke.
Okay, Coke.
We have milk.
Milk.
We have dishwasher detergent.
Dishwasher detergent for
Yeah.
washing dishes, right?
We have salt.
Ooh, salt. That's salty.
We have balloon.
A balloon. What are we going to do with a balloon?
And chopstick.
Chopsticks.
You never know.
What a lot of
Yeah.
bunch of stuff.
And this beautiful bowl too.
And a ball.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got Coke, milk, Mentos, the candy, dishwashing detergent, chopsticks, salt, a balloon, and a basketball. Wow! Okay, let's see what happens next. We've got lots and lots of Coke, and you can see we've got different bottles. This is a small bottle, and this one is a big bottle. Big bottle! Let's start off with a small bottle. Okay guys, I've got a roll of Mentos candy here, mint, and we're gonna count how many mints there are. How many do you think are in here? How many do you think?
How many?
Let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna open it up now. Opening up the Mentos. Oh, there's the first one. Hey, here it is. Small little candy. So that's one. I wonder how many more are in here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, a lot. 10, 11. Wow. 12. 13. And here's the last one, guys. 14. 14 Mentos in one packet. 14 Mentos.
In that small package. Wow, that's more than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this part of the experiment, you're gonna need a few things. First, you're gonna need your Mentos candy. You need a bottle of Coke, like this. And then you need to roll up a paper tube very tight so you can fit it on top of the Coke, and then you can put in your Mentos, right? Okay, so we're gonna try this today and see what happens when we mix the Mentos and the Coca-Cola. Are you ready, Teacher Gaston?
I am ready.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to open the bottle of Coke. Here we go.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Who
See all the
likes
bubbles
Coca-Cola?
inside? Yeah, nice Coke. Very sweet.
Very
See all the
sweet.
bubbles? Okay, so we're gonna put that down here.
Yeah.
Put the cap over here. And I'm gonna take my paper tube. I'm gonna put it on the Coca-Cola, like so. Okay. Then I'm going to take some Mentos. For this experiment, I'm gonna use 6 Mentos. Let's
6.
count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, you ready, guys? I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm sure it's gonna be exciting.
Ready, yes.
Okay, here we go, Teacher Gaston. Let's count down together.
Yeah.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's
Go.
go!
Whoa!
Look at that!
Look at
So many
this.
bubbles!
Yeah.
Well, it's almost empty. Look at that, guys. Almost all of the Coke is gone. Wow. I wasn't expecting that at all. That was pretty good. I wonder what would happen if we put more Mentos in. Let's try. Okay, guys, you know what? Teacher Gaston just told me something really interesting. He said that regular Coke, let me just go get the bottle. Regular Coke, like this, can make some bubbles, but this sugar-free Coke makes more bubbles. So what do we want? Less bubbles or more bubbles?
More bubbles.
Yeah, Teacher Gaston. I want more bubbles. So let's try that.
Let's try.
So we're going to be trying the sugar-free Coke and more Mentos.
Wow.
So how many do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
8 Mentos. Okay, you ready, guys?
Yes,
Let's
we're
try.
ready.
Okay, so I'm going to open up the bottle again. Let's listen for the sound. Ooh. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, and we're going to get our paper tube. And we're going to get it ready. Going to put it on the Coca-Cola. Okay, and now I'm going to take my Mentos. You ready, guys? Let's count down again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Whoa! It was higher than before, eh?
That was really good, Teacher Gaston.
Yeah.
Even better that time.
Yeah, here we are. Look at this. More than the half bottle is gone.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Teacher Gaston, do you have an idea how we can make even more bubbles?
More bubbles with more Mentos and bigger bottle.
A bigger bottle?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, let's try. Okay, guys, look at this. I've got a
Wow, a
really
big one. Big bottle.
bottle. And this time, instead of using 6 Mentos or 8 Mentos, I'm going to use a whole
All of
package.
them. Do you guys remember how many Mentos is in one packet?
Was it 8?
It was
No,
11?
more. Was it 11? No, more. Oh, I know. It was 14.
14 Mentos.
14 Mentos, that's a lot.
Here
Let's
we
pour them all out
are.
here. Oh my
A lot
goodness.
of them.
We're going to use all of these, Teacher Gaston?
Yes.
You think that's a good idea?
Yeah, it is a good idea. And the kids will love it.
Oh my. Well, you know what? Because I'm a little bit scared, I don't know what's going to happen. It's such a big bottle of Coke and there's so many Mentos. I've got my safety goggles on.
Always safety first.
I wanna
guys.
be safe
Always
today.
Safety first.
Okay, so again, I've got my paper roll, my big bottle of Coke, and 14 Mentos. Let's see what happens. You ready, Teacher Gaston?
I am ready.
Okay, let's go. We're going to open up the big bottle of Coke.
Open.
Ooh, ooh, wow. So many bubbles without even adding Mentos. This is going to be exciting, guys.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to take a big handful of Mentos this time. What's going to happen? I don't know. A little scared. A little bit scared.
Yeah.
Going to take the paper.
Yeah.
Going to put it on top.
Yeah.
And let's go ahead and do our countdown, guys.
Right.
10, 9, 8,
8,
7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Whoa! Have you seen that?
That was incredible!
The whole bottle, all gone. Just a little bit on the bottom.
Wow! That That was a really good idea, Teacher Gaston.
Are you okay, Teacher Mac?
I think so. A little scared, but okay.
Yeah, wow.
Okay, guys, time for another experiment. This is something that Teacher Gaston just taught me about. He said, what if we took Coke and mixed it with milk? Is that gonna taste good?
Let's see.
Yeah, I don't think so, Teacher Gaston. Is this a good idea?
Good idea to see, but not good idea to drink it.
Oh, okay. Can you tell us what's going to happen?
Anyone? Well, let's find out.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Coke bottle ready. First, I'm going to take off the label. Let's take off the label. Take off the label. Woo! All right, so the label's gone, but we've got a bit too much Coke. So I'm going to open it. Ooh. Ah!
Whoa.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
This is
me
good
neither.
Coke. And then how much Coke do you think we should keep in the bottle?
So remove like 3-4 fingers.
3, 4 fingers?
Yeah,
Like about
yeah,
there?
3 fingers will be okay.
3
yeah,
fingers.
something like this.
Okay, I know how to do that.
Yeah. Here we are.
So we're going to take the milk and we're going to carefully pour it into the bottle.
Right.
You ready? Let's watch the Coke closely. Let's watch the colors here.
Yeah.
Maybe they're going to change. So Teacher Gaston, you tell me when to stop pouring.
Right.
Here we go. Milk and Coke together.
Okay,
Whoa.
that's it. That's it. Leave it like this.
Wow. It's like
Now,
clouds
need to be patient.
or smoke.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
See very clear what's happening.
Wow. Is this science?
I believe so.
Huh.
Yeah, getting close. But now we're gonna put it standby on the side, and we're gonna come back here. We will need some time
Yes?
to find out what's gonna happen later.
Okay. Okay, guys, time for another experiment. This is another idea that Teacher Gaston just told me about. He's full of really good ideas today.
Oh.
All right, so what we need is a big bottle of Coke.
Another big bottle of Coke. But this one is also zero sugar. No sugar.
Okay, and we need a whole roll of Mentos.
Another one. Yeah.
Okay, we'll put that here.
So it will be 14 of Mentos then.
And this time it's going to be Coke mixing with Mentos, mixing with dish detergent. Yeah, dish detergent. Wow.
Here we are.
Okay, this one's lemon smell. So, this is gonna taste really good. All right, so I'm gonna first take out the Mentos because we're gonna need them all. So we've got all of our Mentos now, and we're going to open up our Coke. Let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah. Be careful this time. Here we are.
Ooh. Okay. So, how much Coke do we need, Teacher Gath?
Remove 2 fingers.
2 fingers?
Remove 2 fingers.
I know how to do that.
Better to drink it then.
What's the next thing we need to do, Teacher Gath?
All right, we're gonna add
The dishwashing soap?
2.
The Coke?
That's right.
We're gonna mix them together?
Mix it. Well, it doesn't need to be mixed. It's just put it. Put it in.
So I'm taking the dishwashing detergent, opening that up, take the cap, put it on the table, and now we're going to pour it into the Coke.
Here.
Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh! I didn't expect that to happen.
Okay.
Wow.
That's right.
A lot of bubbles already.
Here we are. So
Huh.
now we know.
Should I put more soap in?
Just a little bit.
A little bit more. Let's see what happens, guys.
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Whew, okay, let's put the cap back on.
Yeah. Now this is Mentos time.
Now it's Mentos time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming. Look at this.
Ooh, so many bubbles. So many bubbles.
Okay.
All right.
Right.
So I'm going to take my paper tube.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it on top of my Coke.
Here we are.
I'm going to take a handful of 14 Mentos.
14. Yeah.
And let's count down.
Yeah.
10,
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Whoa!
Another big fountain
Yeah,
and salt this
here.
time.
Hey, look at the bottom.
My goodness.
Ah.
Oh, the bubbles are still coming out.
Can you take the bottle and do something like
Yeah.
champagne?
Yeah, it's like I just won the race. I just won the race. I won. Let's see. Oh! Teacher Gaston, you've had so many good ideas today. What should we do next?
Well, I will say what happened if we take one big bottle of Diet Coke,
One big
zero
bottle?
sugar,
Okay.
and then we add 2 packets of Mentos.
2 packets?
We're
That's
talking
too
about
much.
how many will be 2 packets then?
So one package, let's see,
Is
is 14.
14?
And then 2 packages is
20?
20?
20?
20.
Yes, that's right, 28!
28!
Yeah!
28! Oh, okay.
Wow.
That's too much.
It
That's
is too much. Are you ready?
No,
No?
I'm afraid.
Right.
But you know what? I think there's going to be more bubbles this time.
Yeah, I believe so. No doubt
So
it.
let's get a really good look. I'm
Yes.
very curious about that. Okay, so
Me
let's look
too.
at it very closely this time. Okay.
yes.
You ready? All right. So let's get our Mentos ready. There we go, guys.
Here we are.
28 Mentos.
28.
Wow. All right. So, just before we do this, I want to teach you a little bit about the science behind this.
That would
So-
be a good idea.
Inside the Coke bottle, it's under pressure, and the little bubbles you see, they're called a special gas called carbon dioxide. When we put the Mentos and mix it with the Coke, it sets all of that carbon dioxide free really, really fast. So that big gas that you see, all the bubbles, it's called carbon dioxide.
Yeah. Wow.
That's one carbon
Very
molecule
nice.
and 2 oxygen molecules combined.
Good.
Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yes, more than ever.
Here's my paper tube.
All right.
Let's go ahead and open up the Coke bottle.
Very good. Do you think you're gonna take umbrella or?
I don't see why.
Okay.
What's the worst that could happen?
Well, let's find out.
Put my cap over here. I'm
Here
really
today.
curious about this one, guys.
All right.
Gotta take a really close look.
Yeah.
All right. So,
28.
28 Mentos all at once.
Right.
Boy, oh boy. This is such a good idea, Teacher Gas. Thank you.
I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
So, let's put the
Have
paper
you,
tube.
Teacher Ma, have
Yes.
you ever taken a shower with a Coke?
No, I've never taken
No.
it. That's a silly idea, Teacher Gas.
All right.
Okay. What an odd question to ask. Okay, guys, you ready? We're going to take the paper tube and we're going to put it onto the Coke bottle.
Right.
All set? Let's count. 10,
10,
9, 8, 7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! What happened?
There!
What happened, Teacher
Oh
Gaston?
my goodness! Look at all the Mentos into your face!
Ah,
Wow!
so many bubbles all at once.
Oh,
I wasn't
that's
expecting that at all.
nice.
Oh my goodness.
Super fun! It was super fun! Have you seen, guys, this?
Eh,
All the bubbles went out! Look at the Coke!
eh,
It's almost empty!
I've got Coke
Wow.
everywhere.
Everywhere, I
Yeah.
would say. Yeah, every
Yeah.
single.
I hope
That's
you
good.
learned something today, guys.
Yes.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, don't do it at home. Yes.
We've come back and we're looking at our milk and Coke experiment. Remember, we mixed Coke and milk together. Well, we're looking at it
the bottle
now.
It's like a little getting transparent on the top, and everything went down over here.
Wow. So the
Wow.
Coke is on the bottom
Yeah.
and the milk is up at the top.
Here we are. So we have two different things. Look at the line here.
That's really interesting science. Thanks, Teacher Gas.
You're very welcome, Teacher Mac.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was our Mentos and Coke experiment. I learned a lot, Teacher Gas.
Yeah, I'm enjoying too. But did you enjoy, Teacher Mac?
Well, I feel very fresh.
Here
Very
we are.
fresh.
Yeah.
Lots of great ideas from Teacher Gas today. So, thanks a lot.
You're very welcome. All right, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.